Blueberries can help to prevent infections, prevent the common cold by snacking on blueberries often. Blueberry is effective in reducing the risk of cancer. Berries contain a range of antioxidants, which may help neutralize the oxidative action of free radicals. According to American Heart Association, it is healthy to eat 4 servings of fruits per day. A serving of fresh blueberries is approximately 150 grams of the fruit. It is recommended the consumption of berries certified as organic, which indicates they were grown without the use of pesticides. Side effects. People with a glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase G6PD deficiency disorder have problems breaking down some chemicals in food and drugs. One or more of these chemicals are found in blueberries. If you have G6PD, only eat blueberries if you get approval from your healthcare provider. Blueberry might affect blood glucose levels and could interfere with blood sugar control during and after surgery. Blueberries might lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Watch for signs of low blood sugar and monitor your blood sugar carefully if you have diabetes and use blueberry products.